Alright everybody, this is Chuck with B4. If you haven't already, would you please like and subscribe? We appreciate it very much. This is a recording of price action on the ES. In this video I want to introduce to you B4 CoPilot version 4.0. A powerful yet easy to use tool that simplifies reading order flow. If you're a trader, you know how important it is to analyze market depth and understand the buying and selling pressure at different price levels. However, traditional order flow analysis can be complex and time-consuming, requiring you to interpret multiple charts and indicators. That's where B4 CoPilot comes in. With its intuitive interface and advanced algorithms, B4 CoPilot streamlines the order flow analysis process and helps you make more informed trading decisions. So if you're looking for a simple way to read order flow and take your trading to the next level, B4 CoPilot might just be what you need. Let's dive in and explore its features. Notice the trend-colored background. It's a very powerful and accurate feature. Recently we added the option to auto-enter trades according to trend by selecting the option directly on the chart trader interface. You could arm to trend direction long or arm it to trend direction short. CoPilot will auto-enter you as soon as the background changes. The new contrarian mode is a game changer for traders looking to identify trend reversals in the market. This powerful feature uses a proprietary blend of order flow and technical analysis to generate highly accurate reversal signals, helping you to stay ahead of the curve and make better trading decisions. The cyan colored bar you see there is a momentum candle. Its opposite color would be purple. The contrarian mode just auto-entered us into a trade that's represented by the purple triangle. The red diamond above it is an edge signal, and we just had an edge signal on the opposing side, and that took out our stop loss. We are now up $850. The new contrarian model offers three distinct strategy options: trend, contrarian, and both. It's particularly effective in volatile market conditions where price swings are unpredictable. Unlike traditional trend-following strategies which aim to capitalize on existing trends in the market, contrarian mode makes a different approach. Instead of following the crowd, it seeks out opportunities to go against the grain and profit from market reversals. New in version 4.0 is the total delta volume bar option, which provides a comprehensive view of the volume traded in the market. This feature, along with the cumulative delta volume bar option, displays the cumulative delta of the market, allowing traders to track the net difference between buying and selling over a specific period of time, providing a clearer picture of market sentiment. Version 4.0 also introduces delta momentum bars, which show the momentum of the market, helping traders identify trend reversals and momentum shifts in real time. And that's not all. Version 4.0 also includes two new order flow signals to help traders identify trading opportunities. The order flow exhaustion signals indicate when the market is becoming overbought or oversold, while the edge signals identify when a market is experiencing a significant shift in order flow. Did you notice how fast our contrarian signal got us in on that trade? We're going to go ahead and pull our target up here, maximize the potential of that trade. We'll go ahead and pull that up. The stacked imbalances there act as nice support and resistance areas. We also have our daily high and daily low lines there, the cyan lines, dashed lines that you see. case you're wondering, Ichimoku is not part of the B4 CoPilot here. That's another one of our indicators that we just have in the background there, just using the cloud and the Kijinsen. It works well on our 10 range chart here. We got one of our momentum bars come in there. Let's go ahead and move that up. All right, that's going to go ahead and take us out for $2,725. Recently, B4 has partnered with several prop firms for the release of B4 CoPilot. Our intention is to empower our traders, giving them a chance to earn full-time income through our affiliations. You take the trades, let our affiliates take the risk. Now with B4 CoPilot version 4.0, you can reach your full trading potential with confidence without the fear of losing your own capital. You can trade with other people's money, some offering up to $300,000. Getting your hands on a funded account is one of the fastest and safest ways to start making a living trading. Guys, we want to take the time right now to thank you for watching this video and thank you for all your support. Hey, if you could watch this to the end, it would really help our ratings. We really greatly appreciate you and look forward to seeing you on the VIP side here. All right, there we go. That contrarian mode, man, it is on fire. All right, so especially with that diamond that you see right there, that red diamond on top of it, that is one of our edge signals. That just gives us extra confirmation that this trade is going in our direction here. We are in 4 contracts. We're going to move our price targets down. We're going to go ahead and leave our stop loss there. All right, that moved on down. We're going to go ahead and manually grab that one, pull that stop down. All right, that took us out of one of our contracts. We've got 3 remaining. We got the stacked imbalances right there to the left of us. Yeah, there we go. Let's ease that stop loss on down some. lock our stop in right there. Let this play out. Pull that stop down. Bouncing right there to auto trend line, finding support rather. See what we're going to do here. Maybe give it a little bit more room. Overall, the cloud there is showing to the downside. Let's see if we're going to reject here. Yeah, it's following the bottom of that cloud right now. Checking to see what our targets can be. Price is still following the bottom of the cloud right there. There we go, breaking away. That's looking better. Might need to move that. There we go, looking a little bit better. And right there on that green line that you see right there on the chart, that is our bullish bearish lines. Oh, all in once, straight move there. Boom, and immediately it gets us in a reversal trade here with the counter trend mode. That's how fast it acts. guys. It will get you in those trades whenever you're armed. Comes down to trade management. That working out very well so far. These contrarian mode trades are just amazing. Alright, we're just going to guard, make sure we're in profit. Like I said, it just comes down to trade management. Just want to make sure that that little trade is profitable. Right there at the Kijinsen, so it could reject from there, could have a Kijinsen bounce. We got our stop loss in a pretty good position. Let's just maximize our potential right there just in case. Alright, that's going to go ahead and take us out for $5,575. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. We appreciate you very much. Alright guys, we hope you enjoyed our video today. Please like and subscribe to be sure to see more content like this.